said the Lord. 1 Peter 3. Listen to this. For he that will love life. Who loves life? You want to love life? Yep. Okay. And see good days. Who wants to see good days? Yeah, we want to see good days, isn't it? So you want to love life and see good days. You want not to have a love life. You want to love life. Okay. Let him refrain his tongue from evil. That's a principle to live by. If you love life and you want to see good days, zip it. Stop speaking evil. Stop doing that. Doesn't matter what's going on. Stop doing that. Okay? And his lips, that they speak no guile. Lord, place a guard in front of my mouth. All right?